สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you hear the first time, my name is Ju, is spelled as J-O-O. Since it's really nice and sunny today, and I decided I want to film the video out here in my screen room. The bag that I'm gonna show you guys today is another Coach bag from the Coach factory. You know, they come in two different color. Okay, let's see. Okay, see these two color? They're called Nora Kisslock. Okay, this is another Kisslock collection, but this collection is this year, 2022. Okay, let's see in detail for these two bags. This one is teal color. It's the pebble leather over here and smooth leather on the top. Let's take a look closer. See, it's the blueberry guy on the top. See how cute? And for this color, it comes with the silver hardware, detachable strap. Then you can take it out. If you hold it at the crush, bag is so cute too. This bag is about 8.5 inches long and 5.5 tall. Okay, let's see what inside look like. Okay, and this was inside. It only have one pocket right here. Okay, let's see another color. And this one is the second color. It's the brush color with the taffy color on the top. Okay, we look closer. This one is the strawberries, guys. See? It's so cute. This one with the gold, this one comes with the gold hardware. See? Take a look inside. Same thing, only one little pocket over here. Okay, then we see what's gonna fit in this bag. I have two wallets over here. Okay, this is the medium because I know this one is not gonna fit the long wallet. I only prepare for the medium wallet and the snap wallet. Let's see with the medium first. Okay, medium wallet, yes. This side is the iPhone Pro Max, yes. And the card holder. Okay, all three is fit and you still have some room over here. You can put the car key or some lipstick or like a little small thing over here. Okay, perfect. Well, the medium wallet, it fit, then the snap wallet for sure is gonna fit. But you know what? I'm gonna try it this way. To go along with the card holder this side. And it's fit, guys. See? And the phone is in the back. And you still have more room over here. See, it's so cute. And I'm gonna put it on as usual, this way you can see it. And oh, one thing I forgot to tell about the strap over here. You can adjust it a little bit. Okay, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes over here. Okay, that you can adjust. It looks so cute, these two. Okay, one more compare. See what you guys think about this bag? Let me know in the comment below. what color you like it better. If you like my video and think it's helpful, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye สวัสดีค่ะ